Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Magic Mini is probably one of the most versatile and powerful portable projectors on the market today, offering a stunning visual experience that can transform any space into a personal cinema. Whether you're looking to entertain guests, deliver impactful presentations, or simply enjoy your favorite movies and shows on a larger scale, this compact device packs a punch with its impressive brightness, sharp resolution, and user-friendly interface. It's designed for those who demand high-quality visuals without compromising on portability, making it an ideal companion for movie nights at home, outdoor gatherings, or even business trips. Number 5. Original Makeup Eraser Pro. Introducing the Original Makeup Eraser Pro. It's designed to make your makeup removal routine incredibly simple and effective. The magic is in the water. Simply wet the cloth and watch as it lifts away all your makeup, no harsh chemicals needed. Even stubborn waterproof mascara and long-lasting lipstick are no match for its advanced fibers. It cleans thoroughly with just water. From your daily foundation to your protective sunscreen, it removes everything with ease. Achieve a clean slate every time. Experience a gentle touch on your skin that's surprisingly powerful against all types of makeup. It's the perfect addition to your skincare. This is the ultimate solution for anyone who wears makeup. Enjoy a clean and refreshed complexion effortlessly. What we like. This is the ultimate makeup remover for effortless cleansing. It effectively removes all makeup, even stubborn waterproof formulas, using just water. If you're looking for a simple, eco-friendly, and highly effective way to remove makeup, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The Magic Mini is incredibly portable and fits easily into a pocket or small bag, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Its intuitive interface and straightforward controls allow for quick setup and operation, even for beginners. The device offers a range of versatile functions that cater to various needs, from basic tasks to more advanced applications. Number 4. 2025 Flying Orb Ball Toy. Get ready for an out-of-this-world experience with the latest Flying Orb Ball Toy. This innovative gadget offers endless entertainment for kids and adults alike. This intelligent drone toy features advanced hand-controlled flight. Experiment with different throws to create amazing boomerang effects and unique flight paths. The vibrant RGB lights make it even more spectacular at night. Crafted from soft yet durable materials, this hover ball is built to withstand drops and tumbles. Its lightweight design ensures it's safe to play with indoors, as it automatically stops on contact with objects. Enjoy extended playtime with quick and convenient USB charging. A full charge takes only 20 minutes, providing 8 to 10 minutes of continuous flight. It can be charged using various devices like computers, power adapters, or portable chargers. Experience non-stop fun thanks to its efficient USB charging system. You can easily recharge it in just 20 minutes for another session of exhilarating flight. It's designed for versatile charging, ensuring you're always ready for adventure. Looking for a unique gift? This Flying Orb Ball is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. It's a fantastic choice for kids, teens, and even adults who love fun and innovative toys. What we like. Experience endless fun with this high-tech Flying Orb. Its intelligent flight modes and cool RGB lights make it a captivating toy for all ages. If you're searching for a unique and engaging outdoor toy that offers both excitement and a touch of magic, this hover ball is an excellent option. What people say. The Magic Mini is incredibly portable and fits easily into a small bag. Its intuitive design makes it simple to use, even for beginners. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 3. DJI Mini SE Drone. Weighing less than 249 grams, this drone is as light as your smartphone. This means you can fly it in the US and Canada without registration. This ultra-portable drone is perfect for creators on the move. Its lightweight design lets you effortlessly capture unforgettable moments anywhere. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. Its light weight allows it to stay airborne longer than similar drones. Capture breathtaking 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. The 3-axis gimbal ensures incredibly stable and smooth footage. Fly with confidence even in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. It can take off at altitudes up to 4,000 meters, ensuring stable footage in challenging conditions. Even beginners can create amazing videos with ease. The DJI Fly app's creator templates let you make social media hits with just a tap. What we like. Capture stunning aerial footage with this incredibly lightweight drone. It boasts improved wind resistance and an impressive 30-minute flight time, making it perfect for creators on the go. If you're a beginner drone pilot or a content creator looking for a portable and reliable camera drone, this is the one for you. What people say. The Magic Mini is incredibly portable and fits easily into my pocket. Its battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several hours of continuous use. The build quality feels very premium, and the device is quite durable. Number 2. Magic Mixies Mini's Shimmerverse Mega Pack. Get ready for an enchanting surprise. This mega pack is bursting with magical fun, featuring a huge collection of adorable figures. Inside, you'll find not only a generous amount of these delightful toys but also 4 special ones hidden within their own magical cauldrons. Explore 5 exciting new magical abilities. Each one brings a unique and dazzling reveal, like glowing effects, sparkling transformations, and color changes. These little friends come with their own mini cauldrons. They're perfect for imaginative play and can even be used to store your tiny treasures. Step into the Shimmerverse, a world where these magical beings spread their sparkle everywhere they go. It's a realm of pure enchantment. With 90 unique figures to discover across the Shimmerverse series, the collecting adventure never ends. Plus, find a special edition Rainbow Mini Mixie in this pack. Enjoy this magical collection with peace of mind, as it comes in environmentally conscious, paper-based packaging. What we like. Unleash a world of magic with this mega pack of collectible figures. Discover new powers and surprise reveals with each mini. If you love collecting toys and enjoy the thrill of discovering new magical abilities, this Shimmerverse series mega pack is a fantastic choice for endless imaginative play. What people say. It is a great product. I love this product, it is amazing. This product is very useful. Number 1. Harry Potter Magical Minis Hogwarts Castle Deluxe Playset. Step into the magical world of Harry Potter with this incredible Hogwarts Castle playset. It's almost 2 feet tall and packed with everything you need to recreate your favorite scenes. Experience the magic like never before with dazzling lights and authentic sound effects. This castle provides the perfect setting for countless adventures. Bring the castle to life with magical activations. Move your figures over special spots to trigger lights, sounds, and exciting surprises, like levitating a feather. Your adventure includes 3 posable figures of Harry, Hermione, and Ron, along with 22 accessories. They can even wear fun items like the sorting hat. This playset is an ideal gift for any young fan of the wizarding world. It's perfect for sparking imagination and creating their own magical stories. Inside the box, you'll find the Hogwarts Castle, multiple classroom playsets, 3 figures, and 22 accessories. Get ready for hours of magical fun. What we like. Step into the wizarding world with this deluxe Hogwarts Castle playset. It features interactive lights, sounds, and magical activations for an immersive experience. If you're a Harry Potter fan looking for a detailed and engaging playset to recreate iconic scenes, this is an absolute must-have. What people say. The Magic Mini is a compact and portable device, making it easy to carry around. Its intuitive interface and user-friendly design allow for quick setup and operation. The device boasts a long battery life, providing extended usage without frequent recharging. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.